I heard that Red Armor mix oil is supposed to magically clean out carbon out of your two-stroke engines and keep it that way. Does this stuff actually work? Is this stuff snake oil? You'll see. So I found this nice dirty leaf blower right here that is packed full of carbon. Top of the piston, spark arrestor screen, everything. We're going to use this one for the demonstration today, but remember, this works on all two-stroke engines. Works on your weed eaters, works on your chainsaws, all your two-stroke stuff. Years ago, when this Red Armor two-stroke mix oil first came out, I was at a technical update school seminar where the instructor actually said, if you have carbon buildup in your two-stroke small engine on top of the piston, and especially the spark arrestor screen, if that's getting plugged up with carbon, if you run 1 tank of Red Armor mix oil through that, it will clean the carbon out of your engine. Well, you guys know me. I don't take anybody's word for anything. I'm finally going to do this experiment. I've wanted to do this for so long. We are going to check it out right now and see if it actually works with this Steel BG55 blower. Stay tuned. Red Armor cleaning the carbon out of your unit. Okay, first of all, I'm going to take the spark plug out on this BG55 steel blower. They are prone to carboning up in the engine, carboning up, especially in the spark arrestor screen. So let's pull the spark plug out, and I'm going to use my little Borescope. If you guys don't have one of these little Borescopes, they are an incredible inspection tool. If you don't have one of these, I got a link right underneath this video so you can check this out. Click on that link and you'll see how inexpensive these are. Got it hooked up to my laptop right now. Let's have a look at the top of that piston. You just gotta pull that piston right down to the bottom, right there. All right, let's have a look. Check that out. That is pretty carboned up. That's all, most of the piston is black right there. And there's some clean spots on there. You'll see some of those clean spots. So remember what that looks like. And we're gonna see if that changes after we run a tank full of fuel through this. Okay, that's it for the Borescope. Now, let's pull, I'm gonna take this tube off, make it easier for me. Let's take the spark arrestor screen out and have a look at the spark arrestor screen. Okay, now if you see that right there, that is, I'm going to say 95% plugged. You can barely see any light coming through that at all. That should not look like that. That is a 95% plugged spark arrestor screen with carbon. We're going to put that back in there. We're going to put the spark plug back in there, tube back on. We're going to take it outside and we are going to run this for an entire tank full of Red Armor mixed fuel. If you're curious to know what octane I'm using and everything, it's just 87 octane right from the pump station. It's not non-ethanol or anything like that. It's just exactly what you put in your car or your truck. That is a full tank. See how long that runs for? Let's go outside and check this out right now. Okay, that lasted for exactly 35 minutes, and I did let it cool off as I edited that out. So the spark plug's still kind of warm, but now we want to see the difference again. All right, let's have a look in there again with the old Borescope. All right, let's have a look. Huh, yeah. That is actually cleaner. You can see a lot more silver on there. Some of that carbon actually came off. So that's pretty cool. That worked a little bit. Check the spark arrestor screen. And I'll leave that tube on now. Woo, that's still a little warm too. Let's see what the difference is. Huh, you know, I can still see, I can actually see more light now coming through that. Not a whole lot though. So that's 1 tank of fuel of Red Armor ran through that. That took a little bit of carbon off of off the top of that piston, and it's definitely better. That spark arrestor screen is definitely better. You know what I got to do now? Let's try one more tank full and see if this is all crap or not. Spark arrestor screen back in, spark plug back in. We're going to run another tank through. Let's go. That took exactly 35 minutes again. That's kind of weird. But, okay, here we go. So that's 2 tanks. It is actually empty, isn't it? Yeah, bone dry. That was a whole tank again. All right, we're doing the old Borescope trick again. And we'll check that spark arrestor screen and see if it's any better. Right at the bottom, Borescope, back in. Let's have a look. Huh. Maybe a little bit better. It has definitely helped though, hasn't it? That is a lot more silver on there. A lot of that carbon is actually gone off the top of that piston. Okay, we're learning something here. Spark arrestor screen coming out. Oh, look at the color difference on that. Holy cow, you know what? Look at that. That is crazy. That looks like a brand new screen now. You can see light right through that. There's absolutely no carbon at all on that spark arrestor screen. That actually blows me away. I am really happy I did this experiment. Wanted to do this for a long time. So there is actually no BS. This red armor, it wasn't like they said, it wasn't 1 tank, but 2 tanks of that stuff right there. Actually cleaned a lot of the carbon off the top of the piston and actually cleaned that spark arrestor screen right to brand new again. I like this stuff. I got a lot more respect for these red armor guys now. You can buy that from Echo and Shindao, which is pretty much the same company now. I may actually start using this in my own equipment now. I'm not 100% sure because the whole, well, you know what? I've been using this stuff for a very long time, years and years. And plugged up that spark arrestor screen and that cleaned it. So I don't know what to say. I don't know about you, but I thought that was quite informative. That was quite educational. Like I said before, I wanted to try that for years now to see if it actually worked. And it actually does work. Not in 1 tank, but in 2 tanks. That made a huge difference. Subscribe to my channel. Give me that thumbs up button. You want to see something else right now? Click on that box right there next. You'll like that video too. Till the next time, guys and girls. As always, cheers. Steve out.